Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
I am Krishnakumar from Mechanical and Mechatronics Department. Can you introduce yourself?
Myself, Tarun. I am from Mechatronics Department.
Okay.
I am Jason Stani from Mechatronics Engineering.
Okay.
I am Govardhan from Academy.
Okay. Now we discuss about types of sensor with example. Everybody we know what is sensor. What is sensor?
Sensor are device that detect changes in the environment.
Correct. Sensors are device that detect changes in environment. What type of changes?
Like temperature, pressure, motion,
Correct.
etc.
Temperature, pressure and motion. These are the environmental changes. And convert them into signal readable by system or humans. Here are the main types of sensors characterized by the physical quantity they measure. There are lot of sensors. Can you say any few sensors?
Pressure sensor, temperature sensor, ultrasonic.
Okay. Pressure sensor, temperature sensor, ultrasonic sensors. You say some sensors.
Humidity sensor, infrared sensor, light sensor.
Okay. Humidity sensors, infrared IR sensors, and light sensors. Can you say some?
Color sensor, gas sensor, light
Okay.
sensor.
Okay. Color sensors, gas sensors,
Correct.
proximity sensors. Any?
Sir, touch sensors, position sensors, tilt sensors.
Okay. Touch sensors, position sensors, and tilt sensors. Can you say?
Motion sensor, hall sensor, level sensor, and flow sensors.
Okay, hall sensor, level sensor, flow sensors, these are the types of sensors. Now, we are going to see specific sensors, that is temperature sensors. What is temperature
Sir,
sensors?
these sensors measures temperature from the environment or an object.
Okay, these temperature sensors measure temperature from the environment or objects. Can you say any one example?
Thermocouples,
Okay, it's used in.
industrial furniture.
Okay, thermocouple is the one type of temperature sensor. It is used in industrial furnace. Can you say second example?
Sir, thermistor used in a home
Okay.
thermostats.
Okay,
And
thermistor is the second example used in home thermostats and refrigerators. Second, RTD sensors, resistant temperature detector, used in laboratory instruments. So these are the temperature sensors: thermocouple, thermistor, and RTD, that is resistance temperature detector or the temperature sensors. Now we are going to see proximity sensors. What is proximity sensors?
They detect the presence or absence of an object without physical contact.
Correct. They detect the presence or absence of an object without physical contact. It is the very important keyword. What is the example?
Sir, IR infrared sensors used in mobile phones for screen off during calls.
Correct. IR sensors, that is infrared sensor used in mobile phone for screen off during calls with calling. That is the keyword. Okay. What is the second example?
ultrasonic sensor used in car parking system.
Correct. Ultrasonic sensor used in car parking system. Is there any further sensor you know? Example?
Capacitive sensor,
Okay. Capacitive sensors is used in.
used in touch screens.
Yes, while using touch screens, the capacitive sensor is used. Then we are going to see further sensor, that is pressure sensors. What is pressure
So they measure
sensor?
the pressure of gases or liquids.
Correct. These sensors used to measure the pressure or gas or liquids. Okay. Example.
The barometer used in weather stations.
Okay. Barometer is the example of pressure sensors used in weather station. Further.
Sir, cord and tube used
Okay.
in
Okay.
boilers.
Cord and tube used in boilers. Then piezoelectric pressure sensors used in
Engine monitoring system.
okay, engine monitoring system. This is used in. So barometer, cord and tube, and piezoelectric pressure sensor is the example of pressure sensors. Now we are going to see light sensors. These light sensors used to what is the light
These
sensor?
detect the light intensity.
Correct. Light intensity. It is used to detect the light intensity. Any example?
Photodiode, sir.
Photodiode is
Used
the
in automotive street lighting.
correct. Automatic street lighting purpose. The photodiode is used. Further example.
So LDR, light dependent
Okay.
resistor used in solar garden lights.
Okay, LDR, light dependent resistor used in solar garden light. Then for
So photo transistor used in optical switches.
okay, photo transistor is used in the optical switches. So these three, photodiode, LDR and photo transistor, these are the example of light sensors. Then we are going to see motion sensors. What is the use? Motion
They
sensor.
detect movement in an area.
Okay, movement in area. Any example?
So PIR, passive infrared sensor used in security alarms.
Okay, PIR, passive infrared sensor used in security alarm. Further example.
So accelerometer used in mobile phones for screen rotation.
Okay, accelerometer sensor used in mobile phone for screen rotation. Then finally gyroscope used in drones for orientation control.